willing to do that. There's certain liability that she's trying to avoid.
Okay.
Yeah.
So on the basis of civil liability, I will accept a no contest plea. Ms. Jones, you understand that a no contest plea still has the same end result as far as the criminal matter? You will still have a guilty plea entered for the count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive?
Yes.
Okay. So is there a stipulation to the face of the ticket for the guilty plea?
We'll stipulate for that purpose. Yes, Judge.
Okay. So I have just accepted a guilty plea, Ms. Jones, for you.
Yes.
So it'll be 0 points, will not be abstracted on your record, and there was no factual basis. As your attorney just stated, it's no contest plea, so there's nothing in the record for you admitting guilt or answering any questions, okay?
Okay.
I'm also going to waive your fines and costs, so you don't have to pay anything today to the court, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
Thank you, Judge. Was it also, and I could be, may have not recalled this, was it also a delayed sentence?
Oh, yes, right, I
Okay.
forgot about that.
No, that's okay. You got a lot of cases.
Yeah, I'll do a 1-day delay sentence. So Ms.
Okay,
Jones, I'm sorry, at the end of the day, this will be dismissed from your record, Ms. Jones.
Okay. Thank you so
You're welcome. You all set. You all have a good day.
Thank you again,
Thank
Judge.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Iterations.
Mr. Benjamin.
Thank you, Mr. Benjamin.
You're welcome. You can give me a positive Google review on Google if you
Don't forget to get my birthday gift.
I know February.
She pushing her luck. I'm getting off. Everybody have a good day.
Bye.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Sorry, Judge.
Mr. Benjamin.
I get that all the time. Thank
Okay.
you, Your Honor.
So for Ms. Young, I'm going to call that matter.
Yes, Your
No
Honor.
computer has called in.
Okay.
Right. So,
And as I said, Judge, that the immigration part of it was a little extra factor here.
okay.
Because I think she was supposed to have her interview in March, and
That was delayed, I'm sure.
yes.
Okay. This is the People versus Sun Hua Jung, calling case 284-353, 1 count of violation of governor's executive order. Appearances.
And good morning once again, Your Honor. Ben Worming on behalf of the defendant who appears for a bench trial today via Zoom.
Ms. Jung, can you state your full name, please?
선화 정.
Good morning, and Officer Levy.
Officer Levy, badge 4630, Detroit Police Department.
Is there a motion for defense?
Your Honor, Ben Worming on behalf of the defendant, and I'm not trying to get on a soapbox. I haven't done that in your court, Your Honor, and I won't do that. It's my understanding that this is an unconstitutional law as written, and I believe that it violates the civil rights of the defendant, but moreover, I don't believe there's a state prosecutor that's prepared to proceed to make their proofs today. I'd ask that the court consider that, given the time, that the matter be dismissed without prejudice.
Okay. And the time is 9:41. The trial was scheduled for 8:35 a.m. Officer Levy checked in on time and has been patient and waiting. And there's no prosecutor to move forward to try this case, so I will dismiss it without prejudice, with the understanding that Officer Levy could and has the legal right to reissue this matter if he chooses to. So Ms. Young, your case has been dismissed today because there's no state prosecutor to try it, okay?
I have a quick question.
Sure.
Okay. I have to mention to immigration for this happen.
Are you asking, you're saying, do you have to mention that?
Yeah. Does she have to like let immigration know that she had a case or no?
I don't know, seeing that it was dismissed, I'm not sure that that's something you're required to mention. I don't do immigration law and I don't want to give you the wrong answer, but unless there's a question asking you, have you been charged with a crime, I don't see the need to disclose a dismissed case. But I don't want to get, I can't give you legal advice.
Okay.
But it has been dismissed, so you haven't been found guilty of a crime.
Okay.
Thank you.
If you need further help, a great website, MichiganLegalHelp.org. They have attorneys on there who give free legal advice for Michigan cases.
Okay. Thank you.
MichiganLegalHelp.org, okay?
Okay. Sure.
Any other questions?
No, thank you.
Okay, you have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. And thank you, Officer Levy.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
You too, thanks. Okay. Attorney Gary Jones is left. He has a client. Other than that, Attorney Workman, I think we're done.
Thank you again, Judge.
Judge-
Always great working with
Judge,
you.
I'm ready.
Good to see you, Attorney Workman.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll be available. If anything changes, just let me know.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you, Judge.
Your Honor, Gary Jones is ready.
I know. Call on case SP 106-45001, the people versus Jesse Freeman, 1 pound of open alcohol in a motor vehicle as a passenger. Appearance?
Your Honor, may it please this honorable court, Gary Jones, P number 56072, appearing on behalf of Jesse Freeman. Judge, today's date and time set for a pretrial. My understanding is the people did not make an offer. And so Mr. Freeman is demanding that we go to trial on this case, Judge. And he doesn't want to wait. He said we could have a Zoom hearing and it could be vis-a-vis bench trial. I explained to Mr. Freeman that he has a right to a jury trial, at which time 6 people in the community would decide his guilt or innocence, that he would, provided that, or he could have a bench trial if the people and you consented, and he's indicated he wants to do a bench trial.
Okay. Mr. Freeman,
Here, come on over here. Here he is. Here he's coming into view. We were just maintaining that social distance, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Freeman, can you state your full name for the record, please?
Jesse Freeman.
And Mr. Freeman, as your attorney stated, you would like to have a bench trial and waive your right to have a jury, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything for you to waive that right today?
No.
Okay, I will continue your not guilty plea. And the
Judge, he
earliest-
also indicated he had no objection to the trial being a Zoom trial versus us coming down physically to 36 District Court, even though I'd love to come down there, but we're just not in a hurry to do so.
Okay. Well, I will put that on the record as well, that he has no objection to a Zoom trial.
Correct.
So today is the 17th. We can do October 15th. That's the earliest I can get you in.
October 15th, that's the earliest. Okay, we will take it.
Okay.
That gives us time to prep.
So I will see you on October 15th via Zoom,
At 8:30.
8:30 a.m.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You want have a good day.
And everybody stay safe.
Thank you. You too.
Mm-hmm.